DIY power bank. In today's video I will show you how to assemble this do-it-yourself power bank that I bought online. Here is the view of what is inside the power bank. There is a circle shape for the wireless charging. The battery is not included and I need to purchase it from other online store. Here is the power bank specifications. Here are the power bank ports. This power bank has a 10 watts wireless charging capability based on the manual. You can use old batteries from your laptop computers if you like. The charging power will depend on your device if it supports fast charging features. This power bank has an anti-reverse connection protection and only 18,650 flathead batteries can be used and the voltage line with 3.2 to 4.2 volts. It is suggested that you need to use brand new batteries to avoid delays if old or damages batteries fails to work. This power bank can support up to 16 batteries. I also brought this battery from other online store. It's a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. Battery installation. Make sure not to reverse connect the batteries. It's necessary to double check first before charging it. I already tried using this power bank to my Mate 20 Pro cell phone and here are the results. I even compared the charging speed from the power bank to my Huawei charger. Here are the results. Overall, this power bank is just right for my daily needs. Thank you for watching.